Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm here today to share my waterfall journal. Now I've made this, it's kind of like halfway between a journal and halfway between a mini album. I've constructed mine very different to how a lot of people are making their waterfall journals. So if you want a tutorial, I'm happy to share how I do it. Leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll do you one. So it's predominantly made using the Stamperia. I've got a big hole through the title there. Stamperia Threads collection, which is kind of a vintage shabby sewing selection. So here we go. So she's rather beautiful. It is a waterfall journal, so all the pages do lie to the side rather than just a standard. So the back is larger, back cover is larger than the front cover. It does lay flat and it stays shut, and so I've not added a closure. I didn't feel it was necessary. It is going to be for sale, so if you do want to buy it and you want a closure, I can add some seam binding or something. So we've got this beautiful paper front and back. This is from the Stamperia collection. The spine is fabric, and then I've gone over with some lace. We've got beautiful applique there, beaded and sequined. It's beautiful. So let's get inside and have a look. These lovely lilies, which are my absolute favourite flower. So if we go inside here, we've got a pocket, and I've put lots of pretty lace throughout as well. It's really lovely. So every pocket has something. So this has got a little invoice. I'm not going to unfold everything, but it's layered with paper behind, and the pocket's layered with lace. Here, this page is layered with a vintage sewing book page. We've got some tags here, a little envelope, and then a little cluster with some lace. One of these safety pin, and a little applique and a little cut apart from the kit. Okay, and then when we turn it over, we've got an envelope flip, which I have stenciled and fussy cut, decorated with things fussy cut from the kit, and inside the top there is an invoice to do with drapery. So then this flips open like so. We've got a pocket here with some tags to do with, you know, like dry cleaning or whatever. We've got a little envelope there for the person to put things in, and I do dot paper clips round and about for whoever gets it to use. And then this is some lovely graph paper, and that just flips out like so for some journaling space. There's lots of decorative items in here. I couldn't speak then. I forgot the word. Decorative items, but there's lots of room for journaling as well. Okay, so it will be going for sale on my Ko-fi site. So by the time this video is up, it will be over on my Ko-fi. Okay, so here we've got a pocket. This is one of my cherry blossom clusters. I've got a little kit of that over on my Ko-fi, and also a tutorial on how to make them. And then in here we've got a library card and a tag, which I've stamped to the library card. So this is another beautiful, so I've used the beautiful paper throughout, so it's you know, not really used digital papers, I've used the Stamperia paper. So here we've got some lovely lace with little dangles and one of the cutouts, and this flips open. We've got some more of this lovely graph paper, and that folds right out, so there's loads of room for journaling there. We've got some stenciling and a little cluster. Here we've got another lovely page, and I've done a little cluster there. It says threads, and we've got some pretty lace at the bottom. And then this is also a pocket, and every pocket has something. So these are just journaling cards. I liked the punch side. My friend Ian sent me these, and I've left them blank purposely because you can write on them. Alright, so that goes in there, and then there's room if you want to put receipts or keepsakes. You know, I've tried not to overfill this journal. I've tried. Not that successfully. Right, so here we've got another pocket, and in here we've got, what we've got in this one? We've got a postcard. Okay, so plenty of room for writing on that as well. Use it as a journaling card. and that slips in there. And then here we've got some printed out invoices that I've used as journal pages, so we've got a little signature here for you to write in. Okay. Alright, and then at this side here, this is an envelope. It does come out, because this page is a pocket page, it does come out, or you can leave it. It's got a little cluster, and you can either use it as a flip, or you can take it out so you can put things in. And then this flips up, which is a journaling spot, and then we've got this lovely decorative paper, and then obviously that's a pocket as well for you to put your bits and bobs in. And then on this page here, we've got one of these little belly band flips that I like to do that hold the little tags. These little tags I've just made from bits and bobs, punch outs from the kit, and stamps and washi tape. Okay, and each section holds 2 of those. Alright, and then that flips open. And in here we've got one of them pockets. Forgotten what that material's called, what that kind of paper's called. Glassine. It's a glassine bag. I just remembered. Another one of my cherry blossom clusters. Like I say, the kit for that is over on my Ko-fi. And in here I've made a little envelope from the Stamperia papers. And we've got a little library card, and they slip in there. Nicely stenciled on the back with a sample stencil. And all of the stamping is from the sample collection. So I've got another belly band here, and it is lined with very sheer pretty lace, and we've just got a little guest check behind there for you to write on. Okay, that's not a pocket. So the next page is a pocket. Beautiful papers with the lilies, and then these are just cut aparts from the kit for decoration. So before I glue the pocket down, I've stenciled all in there. It's all finished off to a really, you know, I do them to a good standard. Well, I think I do. So this one is from the paper, but I've fussy cut around some of the paper and turned it into a pocket, stenciled at the back, and then we've got this that you can journal on the back of, and another little cut apart from the kit. Okay, you can journal on the back of there, and it's quite a wide pocket. There's plenty of room if you wanted to add something else. We've got some more pretty lace. We've got a mother of pearl button, another little safety pin, I keep forgetting what they're called, and a little applique there. Okay, so here we've got another pocket with another of my little stamped journaling tags, and this is a faux bank check, but you can write on them. Okay, so that slips in there, and that slips in there. And then we've got another little signature. So this is a vintage printable about tape measures. Some more graph paper, invoices, ledger paper, etc. for you to write on. This is a lace printed page. This is from one of my kits. I think it's in the Vintage Ladies kit. Okay, very pretty. This page here is from my cherry blossom. It's from the snippet, the little snippets that I've just shown you. Where are they? These. This is an extra page in that kit, and I've just cut it down. Okay, and then if we turn over, that is a pocket, another little journaling tag, and another faux check. Okay, and then more pages for writing. Beautiful. Absolutely loved making this. It's taken me quite a while. That's why I've been quiet this week and there haven't been many tutorials up, so I am sorry. I've got a double pocket here. This is a little cut apart from the Stamperia kit. And the papers here are from the kit. We've got some vintage tags there. I've just added some numerical washi and some soft lace. And we've got the little clusters and the lace again. And then this one, again, this is from my Cherry Blossom cluster kit. And I've used it to make a flip. And so you've got that for writing. You can write on there, you can write on there, and then it folds out again. And it folds out again. Okay, so it folds out loads of writing space there. Just a little alternative to having signatures. beautiful decorative papers. I didn't want to put anything over the top of that because it was so pretty. So I turned it into a side pocket with another little journaling card for you. Add what you want in there. Okay, and then here we've got another pretty pocket with some beaded trim, and in there I've just added a couple of sample images that were left over from a previous journal that I did, and I just thought they were nice. So here's a large pocket made from a vintage printable. Got a layaway tag in there. Sorry about that, I just had to get up to answer the door. How annoying. An alteration tag there, a little cut apart from the kit. Okay, and then here I've got just lined that page for journaling with some graph paper, and then the back page here we've got a little pocket with a tag that I've made from the collection, a little vintage tag, another little envelope, and then we've got this little dangle here which is another safety pin, but it's beaded. My friend Kay made that. And down here we've got some more of this lovely lace. So there you go. It completes the beautiful waterfall journal. If you do want a tutorial, as I say, do leave me a comment, and don't forget the link for my Ko-fi is in the description box below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.